This is crazy! So we made it to Dalat. Let's go. Let's check what this city has to offer. Let's see if we meet some people and have some fun. Hi guys, welcome back to our Vietnam trip, and today we made it to the beautiful city of Dalat. First, today I'm gonna walk around town. I see there are like some little things to see, some pagodas, temples, the lake, the flower garden, so I think that's gonna be pretty interesting. First of all, we're here. I don't know what is it. Some kind of Chinese pagoda or something. Let's check this. First of all, from outside, didn't look like much. That was kind of a letdown, but I understand why. Because I was seeing the pictures on Google and it doesn't look the same at all, but I guess it's here. Let's check. So we are here on top of the crazy house, and this is actually crazy. Pretty crowded too, as you might see. But look at this view. Wow, it's mainly cloudy today. It's like a 360-degree view on everything. And the house is pretty huge. I mean, it doesn't look so huge from outside. The sun is coming out a little. Nice. Definitely worth like the entrance. And today we're in Datanla Waterfall, and we're going to go on the roller coaster. So let's see how this goes. Today is beautiful, bright and sunny day.
Ready?
Yeah, ready.
Okay, bye bye.
Thanks. Here we go. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, this is sick. Whoa. I haven't done that since I was like young and pretty young, but this is crazy fun. And wow, I mean, the track is huge. Nice trip in the woods, I guess. Wow. Whoa, another quick stop. I'm gonna try to go fast, but there are people, so just go crazy. Whoa. Wow, the setup is so awesome. Let's do this. Woo. Whoa, this is crazy. Pretty noisy, but wow, what an amazing waterfall. And you have to think it's dry season right now here, so I guess there are times where you get like more water than this, but it's a pretty nice place. You go, you enjoy your roller coaster, then a little walk in the woods along the river, and like different stage of the waterfall. Still the place is nice and chill and so here we are at Dalat Cathedral. From outside, I don't think we can get inside. Seems to be pretty huge. The color choice is kind of weird, but I guess this is artistic choices, if we can say so. Okay, so let's continue our Dalat tour and let's see what's next and what's great. See people. Hello. Thank you. So we are at what's called here the TTC World, but what is most famously known as Valley of Flowers. So one or two insights. This is a theme park, so entrance fee was pretty expensive, but this place looks huge when you see the map. So entrance fee is like $2.50. I mean, this place is like full of flowers and it's pretty huge. You can see there's a maze. Maybe I try it later if I have enough time and if it's the weather's too beautiful. You have this beautiful alley here with my buddy The Rock. Smile. Come on, smile. I know you can do it. What statue you ever got? I mean, is this really Madonna? The Wolverine. Oh, Mr. Bean is kind of creepy. I don't know what you think. Scary. The good old Trorsey. Okay, let's check the rest. It just came out like the first part, and this is the rest, and wow, the site is mind-blowing. It's like Disneyland, but with flowers. If you like nature and enjoy flowers, this is some place you might want to check. There actually cool gardens, plenty of different gardens like this. Just an enjoyable afternoon in Dalat, Vietnam. Here at the famous Dalat train station. So you have to pay 5,000 for the entrance, then you get inside, and then there's something like you can buy a ticket and go somewhere. And so this looks like pretty old actually. Let's see what we can do and see if we can catch the train to wherever that goes. So let's see. Actually, I guess we are kind of a little they're like they need 30 people to run the train, which is actually not the case for the moment. So but the train leaves in 1 hour, so maybe more people will come, and like a lot of people hanging around here, so maybe we got the chance. Either way, like cool to see those 2-3 wagons, and we'll see. There's so many people here. It's like there's concert soon is going to start, so let's see what's going on. But we are here in the main sugar of the place. This is crazy. So many people taking pictures. The sun is going down. I didn't get grab a beer, but I'm gonna wait for the concert to see. I think it's a dance contest, maybe for TV show or something. So, but not sure it's going on. We'll see what's go, and then can check out the sun here. Hi guys, last day in Dalat. We are here at the Datanla Waterfall, and I mean, if you read the reviews before coming, you get prepared to kind of what to expect. So, is it as bad as what they say? Kinda. Is it better? I don't think so. Maybe a little expensive for what you get. $40,000, and pretty much did everything in like 15 minutes. The whole place seems kind of weird. It's I don't know, there's a weird feeling. Everything seems like washed out and kind of half abandoned, and obviously, like you read in the reviews, there's this smell, but I mean, you're in Dalat, you're in the city, so of course you get like some sewer smell from the city. Should you check it out? It's only 2 kilometers from the center, so there are like so many things to see. I'm not sure this is like worth your time, and the waterfall is not that impressive, so I guess that's it for today and the beautiful city of Dalat. I will see you on next episode. Stay tuned, and until then, take care, go experience the world, and remember to just go with the flow. Bye bye.